Next, atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called the atmosphere. This thin blanket of air is an integral and important aspect of the planet. It provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects sun rays. The atmosphere extend up to height of about 1,600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into five layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties. These layers, starting from Earth's surface, are called the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and exosphere. The atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which make up about 99% of clean, dry air. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and other comprises 1% by volume. Oxygen is the breath compressor 1% by volume. Oxygen is the breath of life, while nitrogen help in the growth of living organism. Carbon dioxide, though present in a minute almost in is important as it absorbs heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of plants. The density of the atmosphere varies with height. A mountainer, its maximum at the sea level and decreases rapidly as we go up. You know the climbers experience problems in breathing due to this decrease in density of air. They have to carry with them or oxygen cylinders to be able to breathe at high altitude. The temperature also decreases as we go upward. The atmosphere expert pressure on the earth. This varies from place to place. Some areas experience high pressure and some areas low pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Moving air is known as a wind.